So on the outside of Roman's passive house, he has a breathable racking board, which we saw internally, but on the outside it has to be protected from the elements, and it also must give a wind-tight seal also for the building. So to fulfill that purpose, Roman has wrapped the whole house in this blue membrane called ProClimate Solitex Adhero 3000, which is a breathable diffusion open membrane, which gives exceptionally high weather protection for the whole fabric before the cladding goes on, but also acts as a wind tightness layer. On the outside of the Solitex Adhero, once it's fully bonded and welded to the building, he applies a vertical batten in this case, which will allow ventilation to occur between the membrane and the outer cladding. For belt and braces, Roman has applied a butyl tape behind each fixing, which we can see in this sample batten here, which is a butyl tape called Tescon Naideck, which is double-sided, where you can remove a release paper and pierce the fixing through. So that catches the nail and gives you a full seal at every fixing. The Adhero can do this anyway. It's also a nail sealing membrane, but Roman wanted to go belt and braces while it's exposed. On top of that, we can see then Roman is going to apply a horizontal batten with a slight chamfer on it, and that allows drainage if any water gets beyond the outer cladding to easily drain out. And beneath, which you can't see here, he has a stainless steel insect mesh as well. As a finish on the outside, he's going to finish it with a locally sourced Irish red cedar cladding, which will be open jointed on the outside of the wall. So then you have the cedar cladding, the vented cavity, and you have the Solitex Adhero membrane. After which you have your structural breathable racking board and your cellulose on the inside.